Now we'll demonstrate some partner training drills. This is the Cinco Mantis hooking drill, developing wrist strength, forearm strength, plucking strength. Alternating back and forth with your opponent, with your partner. You want to practice on the right hand side, then you can alternate to the left hand as well. In Kung Fu, you want to be well versed on both sides of your body in case something were to happen, or if the attack comes from the opposite direction, opposite side, then you'll be more comfortable in defending the attack. Next drill is hook, grab, pluck drill. And we see Sifu Lee utilizing the outside gate, and Sifu Chang utilizing the inside gate. Hook, grab, pluck, punch. Hook, grab, pluck, punch. This is practiced slowly, and then eventually the speed is built up. Next drill is called Qing Si Sao, double wrist wrapping. We've seen this in previous tapes, but the emphasis is placed on the waist movement and also the wrist locking to develop strength and flexibility in the wrist. Again, in your training, you want to alternate sides. This also helps develop stability in your stance work, knowing that someone is pulling and tugging. This helps you to get rooted in your stance. This is the peach flower drill. Hook, grab, palm strike, parry the attack down with a kick. This drill works on developing quick footwork and quick kicking skills. This next drill is the sweeping drill. The foot should stay on the surface of the floor. The pivoting should be on the ball, the supporting foot. And next is the tornado kick drill, developing flexibility and agility in performing the tornado kick.